This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Pam Ehrman. Open house Saturday and Sunday 12 to 2. Original owner, classically designed, custom built and well appointed 3,474 square feet. Home in a gorgeous neighborhood of 73 homes. This brick home has 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms, with a bonus room that could be second primary ensuite. Vinyl molding and trim created by craftsmen graces the home with a Williamsburg quality. The dramatic 2-story foyer welcomes you into gracious living spaces with mahogany walls, custom bookcases, and a wet bar. The kitchen is huge with sun-filled bay window area for enjoying meals while looking at the birds in the park-like backyard. Expansive master suite with walk-in custom closet and huge bath. Incredible outdoor living spaces with new deck-covered brick patio space, water feature and a splendid display of trees and flowers, carefully selected and cared for over 30 years. Carpet replaced in 2022. Roof replaced in 2017. Heating/cooling systems replaced in 2015. Hot water heater replaced in 2019. For more information, review the details below.